Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Grace Kennedy today announced that its associated company, Signia Financial, has acquired Globe Finance. The acquisition will cost $12 million. The entities, which are both in Barbados, will be merged. Now, the merged entity will be known as Signia Globe Financial Group. Grace Kennedy currently holds a 40% shareholding in Signia and will hold the same stake in the new entity. In currency trading, the US dollar ended the day selling for $137.06. The Canadian dollar closed at $104.82. The pound is going for $178.28, while the euro ended the day selling for $158.76. Now, oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in October went up by 5 cents to settle at $67.59 a barrel. Now, the JSE index gained 3,091 points today, while the junior market index gained 80 points. Among the winners were 138 Student Living, Blue Power, Carib Cement, Derrimon Trading, Elite Diagnostic, Fosrich, Indies Pharma, and Jamaica Producers. On the losing side were AMG Packaging and Paper, Berger Paints, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, KLE Group, Lasco Distributors, and Mayberry Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.